Hi friends, this is Kelsey and welcome back to another episode of On Wednesdays We Oil Our Hair. I use Mael hair oil and we are going to get that done today because I'm just actually not wanting to oil my hair today. I know, I do it every week, but some weeks I'm just not in the mood. So this week I am not feeling it like at all, but consistency is key and that's the important part. And so it's not about if I want to, because that's not the important part. The important part is that it's done and I'm taking care of myself, and that's the part that matters. So, yeah, I'm just not feeling it for oiling my hair today. So, but look at me doing it. So my consistency is overruling my lack of desire for oiling my hair. So. Yeah. It's important that you do it. So important that you're consistent, even when you don't want to. Even when it's hard. Mm-hmm. The important part about oiling my hair is that I often do it's a scalp massage, so it's important to have that. You gotta stimulate the hair follicles. I didn't get this luscious mane by sitting idly by. And it's only going to get more luscious. Look how gorgeous my hair is. I love it so much. And that's why I hold myself accountable for oiling even on the days I don't want to. So, yeah. It's so luscious. Ugh. And wiry. Oh, it's wiry. But that's part of it. That's just... I'm going to use some rose oil because it is so wiry. It needs oil. So that's why we oil it, so that it's hydrated. It's important. So then I brush through it so that it gets all evened out. Okay. Well, that is brushed and oiled. Scrunchy. So I'm gonna let this sit and then I'm gonna go wash it. Yeah, so good. So fun. Thanks for holding me accountable, friends. I'm glad that you love to join me on my adventures in self-care. Remember to live life joyfully, and I love you. Toodles!